A what is this?
Yeah?
Yeah, I do.
Are you a hobbit?
I hobbit.
Are you a hobbit?
I'm hobbit.
Are you a hobbit?
No, I'm an Easter bunny.
Oh. This isn't much better lighting. It's actually not a much better face. I looked this way, I was like, ew. So, we're going to go to the gym. First day this week, second week. Second week as hard as the first. So, he's looking really good. I'm looking really tired. I haven't slept. I got sleep last night, but it was not enough. And now I have to go today with not enough sleep. I don't even think my video is done for today either.
School day. School day.
It's a school day. Happy school day.
Happy school.
Goodbye, Rafael. Love you.
Bye.
Love you. Okay. Say goodbye to your most important one. Most important right now is Snowball. She's new.
Well, Esther Grandma gave it to him.
Yeah, Esther Grandma just gave it to him.
And his second favorite is probably the Gingy. The big ginger Garfield.
Yeah, it's still his favorite. Grandma Hagit got him a really awesome one.
Alright, Rafael, put it down.
And
Aggressive rain.
It just keeps raining. So we've been in Florida for a month, and it's rained probably half the time we've been here.
Yeah.
It's awesome.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. So we just worked out. I worked out for 40 minutes, 10 minutes on treadmill, 30 minutes on the bike with a cycle of arms and legs, and Hadar worked out.
Functional lower body workout and core.
And he got tore up in 30 minutes.
Yeah, we do.
He hits
all
it
sorts of
hard.
stuff.
Yeah,
Super
that guy's
fits
really
and everything.
good. We like him a lot.
He researches exercises. I think
Yeah.
what he looks at is like he looks online for what bicyclists need most, what cyclists get injured by, and
Yeah.
what muscles are the weakest.
Yeah.
Because he's hitting everything that I'm weak at.
Yes, he is. And you know, Hadar's had a knee surgery.
Oh yeah, we saw that
So-
today. Get on that beam and balance yourself with two 20-pounders. I was like, whoa. On one leg I couldn't do it.
Yep.
But I already did it today, so it's going to get better every time.
You know, I was really sore and I've been really sore. But yesterday we went walking up steps. Like, we just went
You
up
saw that
steps.
one, didn't
Yeah,
you?
it was crazy lightning. It's lightning really bad here. I walked up steps, and now today my butt is so sore that I can't even take it. But like, I walked up steps of one house. You know what I mean? If I lived in a house with steps, I would just not be able to go upstairs.
Really, you should do that stepper workout.
Yeah, I need to do something, but my knees keep going out like randomly,
There it
so
is.
it's
Doesn't
hard to
look
do
much
stuff
better
like
here.
that.
It's smaller though, right? You see it.
The bike store?
I'm talking to you. Alexis.
Oh,
I'm
yeah.
not talking to the camera. Andrea.
We're looking at cars right now.
L word.
Yeah.
See how it looks
Ooh.
smaller? But
Yeah.
it looks much better. It's tighter. Everything is tight.
We like it when everything is tight.
Yeah.
Well, are you gonna lightning or not?
Are you gonna light us up?
Light us up. We're gonna go to Dollar Tree too. I love the Dollar Tree. Gonna get some cheap stuff. So I just wanted to go to Walmart to get some more towels for working out, and there's a hurricane situation going on here. Yeah, this is not kosher. I gotta get a whole bunch of towels so we can leave them in the car because we didn't have towels today because we ran out of the house quickly. All right, bye.
bye.
Well, we were gonna go with Mommy, but so much rain, right?
Yeah.
And so Mommy, the devoted mother she is, we dropped her off right at the entrance. What? Do you want to get out in this rain?
Yes.
No, you don't. Oh, look at it. Not nice. I'll try to talk about the workout that I did today. So it was mainly functional, a lot of core. Everything that I did functional included core in it. It was not for big body muscle mass, except for a hay squat that I did, which is basically like a half a squat, half a deadlift. Everything else worked on my core, my balance, my it's not just for girls kind of exercises. It's push your body to the limit, and I like it. We try to do her L's. She's getting a little better, but she doesn't like to do it.
Oh, yeah.
Not sure why she doesn't like
My
to do it.
kids don't like to say certain letters very well, but it's okay because I love to hear her say yes.
Yeah.
when I ask her
Yeah.
questions, she always says yes. I went and got everything that we needed at Walmart. It took me 1 hour to walk from one side of the store to the other to get everything that we needed, including underwear and
You got underwear?
metal tape. Yes, I did.
Great.
I got underwear to suck my gut in. How about that? Oh, and he's been editing pictures for Instagram.
This looks like a professional one.
Yes, it does. You take very good pictures.
That's what I posted.
So go to Instagram at FoolyLiving and you will be able to leave a comment there. We still have not got our comments turned back on yet as of today.
It's a poser squirrel.
Very cute pictures over there. All right, now we're gonna go in and look for a bike for Rafael again, and see what they have here. See the.
Now
see
that
if
we
can
know
get
the
him a good one.
size and we know what we want, kind of.
Yeah,
We can see how
it's
much
gonna
we have it
last
here
him for several years. I'm gonna take a picture of this comic book store because I don't know if my brother knows that it's
Be
here.
amazing, kid.
His friend actually owned a comic book store and he died, and that was like 10 years ago, and he hasn't been to a comic book store since. So hopefully he will, you know, get back into that hobby because that was fun for him. Kidding me? It's raining hard. Look how cool. A wine bottle holder or a drink bottle. Bicycle. Yeah, awesome bike. Really hard, I bet. He is all serious though.
I know.
To pee in the toilet if they tells me what a pee in the toilet. And I say then if I do things and I just throw diapers away.
Yeah, we're potty training, aren't we?
Oh, you not? Are you not, Mommy?
Are we?
Yeah,
Are we not?
we not. I was sing that way and that way, and we go that way and that way. We go that way and that way. Jump on subway. We go down. Jump on subway.
Is it far, far away?
No, it's over there. I can see it.
Oh.
Yeah, it's outside. My dog's out there. That's a dome.
Do you got a dome?
Yeah.
You have a
Just
swing?
For you. Just for you. Call the dome. Call the monkey dolls. Ball. Dome.
B's and D's. It's hard sometimes.
What?
So let me see your shoes.
Oh, this is my hairband.
Yeah, but let me see your shoes. They're a little too big,
They're not too big.
but they remind me of Grandma. When Grandma was a little girl, she had those shoes, and they're very nice.
Happy.
Are you pretty girl?
That's a pretty girl.
Pretty girl?
Is that a pretty girl?
Sure is.
Put it on your nose again. Look at me, right? I sound like a monkey. That's a monkey.
You wearing a shirt that Jana and Ania got ya?
Yeah.
Yep.
And I'm playing another game. That's what somebody's do.
Because you were good.
Oh no. I look like a monkey. No, you don't. I look like a monkey, Mommy.
Ooh, 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 ooh.
Mommy. Ooh.
What kind of surprises are you getting?
Hey, Chewie. A surprise is all. Surprises, red surprises
What kind of red surprises?
is pink surprises. Reds,
Reds or pinks?
reds or pinks. You know, let's put this on my nose again.
No. It looks better like that.
off.
How old are you?
I'm 16 little baby.
You're a 16 little baby?
Yeah.
All right, but you're 2.
I'm not little baby.
No.
I have underwear.
Yeah, you have underwear, no diapers, right?
Yeah. I have 4 diapers away. Hey, it's cool.
That looks better.
That looks better.
Yeah?
I'm a monkey. Like, on my nose.
Yeah?
Like that.
Yeah?
Why? It's gonna fall off.
Do you know what your middle name is?
Yeah.
What is it?
It's 14, 16, 14. It's 13, 16, 17.
Are you saying your name is 11?
Yeah.
11.
Do you eat 11sies?
11sies?
Yeah?
Yeah, I do.
Are you a hobbit?
I pop it.
Are you a hobbit?
I'm pop it.
Are you a hobbit?
No, I'm an Easter bunny.
Oh.
Because I eat
Hobbit
stuff.
is the Easter bunny.
Do you eat carrots?
Yes.
A hobbit is an Easter bunny
I eat carrots.
because it hobbits. Abigail, do you live in a tree or a side of a hill?
I live in tree.
Inside of a hobbit hole?
I live in puppet hole.
Is your feet hairy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're Perry.
They're pairy?
Yeah.
They are very pairy.
Yeah. They're doing this.
Do you love shoes?
Yeah.
She's obsessed.
I'm not. Oh.
All right, you want to tell everybody bye?
No, not yet.
What shall we do then?
Let's film it. Easter Bunny. Pop.
But the Easter bunny went away like a month and a half ago.
What?
There's no Easter bunny now. Not until next year. What do you think about that?
That's not really good. That's not really good.
Are you sure?
You talk about me.
I am talking about you, the Easter bunny.
I'm gonna pop.
You're gonna pop?
Yeah.
Are you very upset?
No. I'm still a trick. What are you doing?
Okay, bye everyone.
No, not yet. Not yet. Not yet.
Say bye, I'm hanging up.
No.
Say bye.
Bye.
Not yet. Not yet.
Say bye, I'm hanging up.
No.
Tell them goodbye, and you'll see them later.
No. Film me popping. Film me popping really high.
Okay. The kids are popping off.
I'm jumping down.
Wow. Skills. Look at this fine young family. You love it?
Yes.
Good. How about you, Rafael? You got chocolate milk? Oh, great. You have to get only what you need when you go to yard sales.
Not in rolls.
It's like cheese or something. Thank you so much for coming up and saying hello. The first time in America, yeah?